Okay, so let us start. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Laravel on your local computer so that you can install Laravel code anytime you want. So first thing that we need to do, go to laravel.com, click on documentation, and here you'll find a lots of options. Now to install Laravel via Laravel installer, you're just gonna need composer global require Laravel installer equals to anything equals to 1.1. So you can use that and you can directly say Laravel new and whatever the name of the application is. But I prefer using this one thing because Laravel new blog, you don't know what is going behind the scenes and you do not know what is exactly process happening there. So I'm just going to copy this code. Okay, so for the Windows users there's a quick tip. Just go to any folder that you want, create a new folder. Let us say this folder name is this, and just hit shift and right click, and here you'll see one open command window here option. Now you can just click on that and hit Ctrl V and hit enter. So now what it's gonna do, it is gonna create a project. So composer, hey composer, try to create a project with the Laravel slash Laravel. Now it's gonna grab Laravel slash Laravel from the github.com slash com slash Laravel. From here it's gonna grab all the code and you can set the preferred disk. Okay, wait. I'm sorry. Yeah, I wanna terminate it. So preferred disk is nothing but, let's say, my app name is currently Leon Air. So just hit enter by putting your app's name over here. It might take a little bit time, so until that you can check out all these docs over here whatever they have given. And one quick tip for you, if you are using Windows or Mac or Ubuntu, I recommend you using Homestead. Well, Homestead uh, is a vagrant box, actually a sort of vagrant box. It is specially designed for the PHP and especially for Laravel. So you can get that and you will be having Ubuntu 14.04, PHP 5.6, HHVM, which is a hack virtual machine. It is just making the PHP more faster. Nginx, a sort of Apache style. It's an open source reserved proxy server, you may say it on Wikipedia. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Node.js, and Redis, Memcached, Beanstalk, Laravel Envoy, and Blackfire Profiler. Now, what is Laravel Envoy? It's just a kind of task runner for Laravel. So if you want, you can check it out, or just I'm gonna close it. Now here's the code that you are going to get after what you install. So currently you may see it is installing Laravel slash Laravel, and maybe even it has created that project for me and it's installing the dependencies right now. So installing dependencies might take a little bit time depending on your internet connection, because it's gonna grab 23 MB of a cached file and it's gonna cache it to your local machine, and then it's gonna check out whatever dependencies are there, and then it's gonna contact to one of the server packagist.org, and on that server you will be getting those all things. Packagist is a composer's main repository, and it's gonna go ahead and check out torrent proxy, just so that she must be here. Yeah, so packagist uses torrent proxy, so using torrent proxy it's gonna download that all, and then once it does it, and till that point I'm gonna just skip this part, so just wait. Okay, so now you can see that it has installed all my dependencies right over there. It has set an application key. It has generated the optimized class loaders. It just suggested a few things to me, even though they are just warnings, you can ignore them. It has installed a lots of things like PHP spec, PHP unit, php.env and many more like Swift mailer, HTTP kernel, many of the Symfony components, and a lots of things get installed. So now let us take a look at how my code base looks like. So now you may see that you have got these sort of files over here. There is a app directory, bootstrap, config, database, public, resources, storage, tests, and vendor. And there are a few more files that maybe you want to check out or you do not want to check out, no problem. So this is how it looks like. So the next quick tip that I'm going to give you, install Vagrant. Now in this throughout this project I'm going to use Vagrant, and in next video I'm going to show you how you can set up the Vagrant on your machine and with the Laravel homestead that you just checked out. I'm going to show you that all, and till that, just thank you and have a nice day.